Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix message notification not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on app management, and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and then click on force stop. Now click on OK. After force stop your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on sounds and vibration. Now on top you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on it. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down in last, and here you can see the option settings system. Now click on it and then click on reset phone. Now click on reset settings and then click on erase all data. It will remove all the settings in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.